Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Boyfriend Beater Arrested for the First Time.
Going?
Hi.
Where are you going?
I'm just trying to get my shoes.
Okay. Okay. Well, listen, I got you. Tell you what, do me a favor, just chill out for a second.
Sorry,
You're good. Can you stop just reaching into stuff?
Sorry, I don't have nothing in my car, I promise. I'm just trying to get my shoes.
I got you. Well, just hold on for a second. I don't want you reaching in here. I don't know what you got in here. I don't know what we're talking or what's happening.
Just in case my mom calls me.
Okay. You want to step around here in the front
Yes.
freedoms and see
You know they need that phone.
what is happening?
So I came here to get pajamas and he was here. We met and we were talking in my car. And then in the car it got a little bit like roughish, not like, it was just like playing around in a way.
Playing around?
He started driving me, like we're arguing right now, going through kind of like a breakup. And then he sees someone call me, he got angry, got out, stole my phone, was like not letting me have my phone. So I'm like, give me my phone back, like kind of like over him trying to get my phone, and he won't give it back. This is the second time around Thanksgiving he stole my phone for a day. Just saying that. He didn't give it back. My mom got involved and he skirted off on my phone at my house. There's been a lot of different things happening. And then he was saying, like, oh, that's why I fucked another bitch. And then that's when I did push him, and I did hit him. But like, not like fist fighting. Like I did push him, and like we weren't like.
And was this outside?
Yes, right here.
Gotcha. So how old are you?
I'm 18.
Gotcha. So he said those things,
Yes.
which caused you to, like, just out of anger, I take it?
But
Okay.
in the car he was being like kind of rough too, like grabbing me, like my arms and stuff. But
I gotcha. Let me ask you, how long have you two been dating?
She just threw that in there. I don't believe that part. She just threw that in there at the end. After she probably realized in her head that, damn, what I'm saying actually sounds bad. But let me try to even the playing field. We were both hitting each other. But, you know, the first part is believable. Okay? Y'all going through y'all little situation, you know, and what happens in arguments? Sometimes people say things to get under the other person's skin or to hurt somebody. You know what I mean? Like that, it happens, you know. Guys say things that, you know, may or may not be true, but they know that she'll feel a type of way. And girls do the same thing. Girls say some stuff that may or may not be true, but they say it to hurt the guy. You know, that's, you know, it happens in arguments. But so he said, you know, when you're in a relationship or when you with somebody, you know, you think a part of being in a relationship or whatever is that you get exclusive access, right? You're not messing with nobody else, right? That's yours. If it's a girl, right? That man's sausage is hers, right? You know, that's how, let's keep it real. You in a relationship, that's your man or whatever. Man, well, this is my sausage. Nobody else can get this. I got the best sausage in town, right? Right, whatever, right? And then the same vice versa for guys. You know what I'm saying? Guys is like, man, listen, this cat is off limits right here, man. This is the best cat in town. You know what I mean? That's how it go. That's a part of being in a relationship. You get that exclusive access with each other. You know what I mean? So one thing to say to get under somebody's skin, or that'll be, you know, if they going through their breakup or whatever, well, hey, I went and got me some new cat. You know what I mean? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I got some new cat, you know, fresh. That thing, right off the press. Right off the press, man. You know? And a girl is going to be upset about that, you know? So all of that, I do believe that.
2 months, like since the summer, like July, and then we've had a lot of problems, and it's like been back and forth.
Gotcha. So there has been an intimate sexual relationship within the past 6 months then?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he has been like kind of like threatening, like when we argue, he's like, oh, I'll go to jail right now. You can call. And The person that he seen call me, he threatened them too when he sees them on school on Monday that he's gonna fight him. So just like that.
26, thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you was hitting
Would
him.
you do me a favor and walk over there with me just and get closer to him and them?
We have to do this right here,
Yes.
right now? Really? This is what we're doing? This is like
Who's this?
teenage stuff.
Mom?
That's why, yeah.
Yeah. They're adults. What happened? Hold on. What's going on?
All right, listen. I'll explain it to you the same way I explained it to your mom, okay? In the state of we have no choice in certain types of situations when they're dating or domestic. Like you told me, there is an intimate sexual relationship within the last 6 months that qualifies this as dating violence. And based on the comments that you've told me, what he told this officer.
We had a big dispute on Thanksgiving. He came to my mother-in-law's house acting like an asshole. Like
I got nothing to do with today, ma'am.
No, I didn't.
Unfortunately, we have to.
My husband spoke to
Unfortunately,
him,
we
he
take things
left.
case by case.
That has nothing to do with today, ma'am. What you talking about on Thanksgiving got nothing to do with today. Thanksgiving was what? This was 12:06. That was a week or two ago, 10 days ago, man. That got nothing to do with it. Your daughter got to keep her hands to herself. We talking about what happened today.
My husband spoke
Unfortunately,
to him,
we
he
take things
left.
case by case. And
Yeah,
we're dealing
I
with what
know,
happened
but-
here right now.
But it was like, they didn't, there wasn't like a dispute, like he's not.
Battery is a touch or strike, as per
But he
statute.
took her phone. We didn't want to make a big deal about it on Thanksgiving.
I understand
I'm sorry, but I had,
Is she gonna tell her daughter that she's wrong for hitting him today? Are we still talking about Thanksgiving?
We didn't want to make a big deal about it on Thanksgiving.
I understand
I'm sorry, but I had, all that going on.
Okay. Well, listen, as it stands, unfortunately, based on what I've been told and what this officer has been told, then we're going to have to take you to jail for domestic battery or for dating violence battery, okay? That is just where we're at. I don't really have a choice in the matter. We don't. So I'm going to have to ask you to put
Keep your hands to
Over
yourself.
here real quick. Can you just give me 1 second?
No, that doesn't work that
I
way.
know, but just give us one. Are you
Just give us
serious?
1 second.
It is the law of the state of.
I don't want these too tight on you in any way, shape, or form.
You're good.
You let me know if they are, okay? Unfortunately, all of that stuff that she handed you in a second, it was with her, so it does have to go with her.
This is her wallet and her keys for her.
Yep, it has to go with her.
Can you take my key off?
Can I just take her car home?
Is it registered to you or is it registered to you? Oh, it's registered to you?
Mine.
Oh, perfect, yeah. That works. Which key is it?
It's on a hook. It's right there.
Right there.
Sorry.
You're good. Here.
Oh,
There you go.
there you go. Alright. Well, like I said, unfortunately, when it comes
No,
to
you're
these,
good. Do you have a jacket? My socks are wet too.
You're not gonna need it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sorry to say you're not gonna need
I'm
it.
gonna get you over there real quick. It's gonna be the car in the back, okay? It's unfortunate. We hate to do these kind of situations.
No, it's
but,
okay.
Yeah.
But like, it's just kind of crazy because
Yeah.
he kills a lot of times.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. You hit him. Yeah, it's definitely kind of crazy. Yep. Kind of crazy. Keep your hands to yourself.
Just be careful on the way in.
Sorry, I do have a bad knee.
I got you. Alright, again, those cuffs are good on you. They're not hurting in any way, shape, or form.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Just let me know if that changes, okay?
Yep. That's how that go. Keep your hands to yourself. If you're in a toxic relationship, just break up. Don't go back and forth. You know what I mean? It's over with. Especially once somebody done crack somebody else, it's definitely over with. Like, what? I know me personally, I ain't going back to somebody that already gave it up to somebody else. Man, shit. Better move on, man. That was my kitty cat. Now it's gone. Well, to let that motherfucker have it. He can have it. We gonna go get some new shit. You know what I mean? On to the next one. Yeah. Oh man, but yeah, just toxic relationships, man. Just gotta just move on. Just move on. It's easier said than done, but that's really what should happen. But the officers, they did their job. They did a good job. So 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.